Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today we'll start with the last chapter of our book, that is understanding AI. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. We all know computer is a smart machine. What if it thinks like human brain? So it will become more smarter, more intelligent. So all this process is actually artificial intelligence. You have heard about the citizen, the new robo citizen Sophia. So it is actually a humanoid which thinks like human brain. So the process of making machines, computers, robots think like human brain is actually a artificial intelligence. So we are going to learn in this chapter today. We all know AI is a need of the hour, or it is there in every walk of life. So let's just begin. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI movies, AI machines versus normal machine, AI lab. Let's begin with.
What a nice movie it is. Kitty. Yeah, Nikki. I am too enjoying this movie. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a process of making machines, computers or robots that can think like a human brain. We have understood the meaning of AI in our last class. So, now step into the fascinating world of AI and its applications around us. AI refers to an artificial ability developed in an artificial way. By this process, a machine is developed to take intelligent decisions. The accurate and concise decision is based on data from past experiences. AI movies. Movies are a great source of fun. There are some movies that teach us certain things. The AI-based movies are some of the best movies to explore the world of AI entertainingly. The best AI movies which are engaging and provide a good learning experience such as Wall-E, The Iron Giant, Robots, The Incredibles, etc. AI machine vs normal machine. Machines are everywhere. But an AI machine is different from a normal machine. A normal machine works on input. When such a machine is transformed into an intelligent machine, it can take decisions on its own to respond in a situation. Look at this music system. It is a normal music system. It plays music through CD, DVD or pen drive. This is a smart music system. It works on AI. It plays music on human voice commands. From smartphones to smart homes, AI has made our life easier now. We are already using AI in smartphones, smart watches and cars. Digital assistants. Digital assistants recognize users' voice and uses AI to respond for specific tasks. We can even make a call or search information on the web by using these AI assistants. These have made our day-to-day lives easy and more comfortable. AI Lab AutoDraw. AutoDraw is an AI-based online drawing tool. It employs machine learning or artificial intelligence. This drawing program transforms rough sketches or doodles into meaningful images. Starting AutoDraw. Click on Start icon. Click on Microsoft Edge. We can also open Google Chrome, type in the address bar and press Enter key. A blank drawing canvas with the tools will show on the left. AI experiment. Click on Start Drawing button. AutoDraw screen appears. Click on AutoDraw button. Draw any sketch using mouse. AI suggests matching pictures for our drawing. Click on the bar above the picture that we were supposed to draw. The selected picture appears as shown.